Hello guys and welcome. This is Crafter Tool today and I'm going to show you how to make a furnace, a crafting table, and a chest. So I am on mine, so I just blew up a house that I was going to make. So right now you have to do to make a chest. So I will get wood. So you'll have to find like tree woods. And I'll just like set it to survival. Survival. And what you have to do is you're going to drag the wood up to here, get all your planks, and to make a crafting table you're going to have to go all the way around. This will make a crafting table, and you place it down and you have 5 extra squares. So I'll make a chest. So you do all the way around except for the middle, so that's how you make a chest. People usually have double chests, so I'll make a double chest. So, okay, that's just enough. And you have more times the room instead of one. So, hurry up and break. So if you do double chest, really better. So now we're gonna make a furnace. So what you need is a cobblestone. You go to mines and stuff like that to get it. You can do the same thing as you did as a chest, and it's called a furnace. So what you can do in this is you can like, here I'll get some stuff. Game mode. Get blocks, like gold ingots, blocks. So these are my gold ores, don't even worry about it. Iron, and we'll get some food. There's raw pork chop, and raw fish. So I'm gonna go back to creative. Survival, sorry about that. So I'm back in survival, and what you have to do is, oh my god, I have to go back to, you need coal. So coal is usually found like in mines. It's usually found sometimes in like there's sometimes like walls that generate in the world. So you can find some on the walls and stuff like that. So coal, and carrot coal. I just want to go back to show you the difference. So I'm just gonna like do some gold ore there and have some carrot coal, or which way? Yeah, so we'll just wait a bit. So this 4 gold ore is done. I'm gonna kill a pig. Kill. 6, 7. Took me so far 7 hits. Right. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it should be done, I believe. If it's not, I'll just have to kill that sheep. My sheep right. You always want them like right in front of you. Let's go sheep hunting. This is my character. Either his name's gonna be Will or John, so give me some feedback. Whoever, I'll just like comment or update and say John, and then I'll do another update on like Will, and whichever has most likes, I will name him. So John or Will. So those are done. We'll do these. So what you want to do is you kind of want to make stuff with your gold. So this is how you make stuff. So that will be how to make a sword. So if you don't know how to make a sword, then it's just double. But I recommend not to use gold, because gold is really good. It's like as good as iron, I say, but it runs out really fast. That's how you make a gold pickaxe. I'm pretty sure this is how to make a gold hoe. And this is the axe. So that's all the stuff. Oh, and you can make golden nuggets. So Yeah, let's get some golden nuggets. We got 4 golden nuggets. That's all we need. Okay, so we got our over there. And you can do the same thing with all these, but I don't think there's oh yeah, and you can make iron out of them. So I'll make like iron armor out of them. So I'll make like iron boots. And you can also, yeah, you can also make armor and blocks. So just solid blocks. See, you watch the difference of it. So look what it is here, and watch what it turns out here. It obviously comes cooked. So see, it looks better than that one because that one's like have a texture on. So lots of people know what textures are, or mods and stuff like that. Okay, so I don't need that much. So that's all we have to do. So say I have. Wait, I'm gonna get a survival. And you have it on hard. Well, you have to have it on survival, of course. What you want to do is you can eat this to regen your health, because you have a little bar down. So if you don't eat it, then you will die. And there's a slime over there. So, I recommend also not to eat raw food, because sometimes, or rotten flesh from zombies, or because sometimes you can like become sick when you have like a 30-second period. So if you keep on eating those, then you will die. And for the last thing, I am going to just blow this up, I guess. I have nothing else to do. I'm just gonna make like a little, throw my nuggets in there, and go retrieve my nuggets. Oh, no. I forgot. Okay. Hope it doesn't come in. See in here? Okay, good. So I just got a redstone torch. Boom, and so let's just watch this. It might lag a bit, so I'm just gonna go in F1. So yeah, so see you later, guys. I had a great time recording this, showing you guys how to make those 3 things. So have a good day, and see you later. Bye bye.